This is Dr. Govardhan, Professor and Head, Department of Aeronautical Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. This is the drilling machines. It is used to perform operations like drilling, boring, reaming, counter boring, counter sinking, and tapping operations. These are required an efficient finishing product which is completed by using welding, casting, or the operations on lathe machines, milling machines completed. It consists of bed, which is firmly glued to the floor by using foundation boards. To the bed, it also consists of base. The base consists of T-slats to accommodate large pieces which are difficult to lift it for doing certain operations. To the base, a vertical column fitted to it. This column, it may be box type or it may be circular cross section. It is in the form of hollow, and at the other end of the column, the driving mechanism is attached to it. The motor and gearbox consists of 4 pulley arrangements for getting various speeds of the spindle. The spindle can be moved to and fro for giving a speed while doing drilling operations by the quill arrangement provided inside the gearbox. The other end of the spindle, it is in the form of hollow to accommodate sleeves as well as the drill checks for doing different sizes of the drills. To the column, rack and pinion arrangement is made so that the table which is attached to it, it can be moved to and fro, depends upon the size of the workpiece that can be accommodated over it. This table itself can be rotated about the axis of the column, and it can be accommodated at any position, and at the same time the table can swing about its own axis so that the drilling operations can be performed at a required point. The surface of the table is consists of T-slats to fix the workpiece firmly above it. These are the various tools generally used for doing drilling, boring, counter sinking, counter boring, tapping, and reaming operations. The assembly consists of that sleeve, drill check. The drill check can be accommodated different sizes of the drills, which is now fitted into it by using only tight fit. After that, the sleeve is inserted into the spindle. So, in order to accommodate different position, okay, it can be fitted to the spindle by using the assembly combinations. Okay, fix the job firmly in the vise of the table and change the location of the table. Working procedure. Collect the job and over the surface of the job mark the positions where the drilling operation to be performed. Depending on size of the job, it can be fitted to the base or to the table or to the vise. The vise is fitted to the table firmly. Change the position of the table up and down such that the required clearance is required between the tool bit as well as the workpiece, and change the position of the table also so that the axis of the spindle coincident with the mark identifier where the drilling operation that will be performed. While doing this drilling operations, depending on size, first operation is required identify the location by using the center drill. After getting center drill positions, if the size of the drill, if it is more than 8 mm, first start the drilling operations by using smaller drill. After that, the required size of the drills, it depends upon, first operation is identify the location of the drill where it should be performed and locate the drill positions by using center drill. Center drill. After identify the position of the drill by the center drill, depending on size of the drill to be performed, use the various sizes of drills with the ascending order. The example is for drilling 10 mm size of the hole, first take 6 mm of the drill and complete the drilling operations. After that, use the 10 mm only because the power required for drilling 10 mm size of the hole, it is a more. Moreover, the surface finish which is obtained, it is also not perfect. Hence, the sequence of drilling operations are required by using ascending order of drills. Okay, after completion of drilling operation, depending on size of the bore required, other operations like boring operations also required now. Boring operation is the enlarging the pre-drilled hole, and other operations like counter boring, counter sinking, tapping, and reaming operations also can be performed by using drilling machines. Okay, on this worksheet, these are now representing. Here it is called drilling operations because it is completed by using only drill bit. The second one is first completed boring operations that enlarged by using another drill. Hence, it is called here boring operations. Here the third one is here. It is representing counter boring. The counter boring is enlarging at one side of the piece. Generally, it is to accommodate heads of the nuts as well as the bolts while assembling process, and counter sinking, it is required for accommodate heads of the screws now. Okay, these are the operations we can perform by using drilling machines.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.